Hi everybody, I am going to discuss rotation. Topics is rotation, and in the chapter of transformation, subject is computer graphics. In this video, I am going to discuss the what is rotation, concept of rotation, and we generate the rotational matrix about a origin, about a point that is origin in this video. So rotation is a complete concept. Rotation is a complete concept which are divided into three parts. In part one, I will discuss what is rotation, features of rotation, and rotation about point. In the second part, I will discuss general pivot point rotation. In the third part, I will discuss mathematical problem on rotation. So in the first video, in the first part, I am going to discuss what is rotation and the rotation about origin, the mathematical deduction of the rotation about origin concept. Now, what is rotation? First of all, rotation. A 2D rotation, a 2D two-dimensional rotation, a 2D rotation is applied. A 2D rotation is applied to an object. A 2D rotation is applied to an object by repositioning it. Repositioning it not in straight line, by repositioning it along a circular path. আমরা দেখেছি যে স্ট্রেট লাইন বরাবর যখন আমরা রিপজিশনিং করি, দ্যাট ইজ ট্রান্সলেশন অ্যালং যদি আমরা স্ট্রেট লাইন বরাবর করি, বাট ইন 2D rotation is applied to an object by repositioning it along a circular path. In the xy plane. Definitely the plane is 2D plane. In the xy plane. We need two things. আমাদের দুটো জিনিসের দরকার হবে. We need two things. First of all, number one, point about rotation point, that can be origin or any other point, about rotation point. Number two, rotation angle. Second is rotation angle. Theta. So first of all, need a point. It can be origin or any other point, or rotation angle theta. So rotation is applied along a circular path, not from straight line, not to straight line. So along a circular path about a point and the rotation angle. If the rotation is clockwise or anti-clockwise, that depends on theta. If the rotation is clockwise or anti-clockwise. If the rotation is anti-clockwise, then the theta is positive. Anti-clockwise means the rotation is anti-clockwise, then theta equal to positive. And if clockwise, then theta equal to negative. If it is anti-clockwise, then theta is positive. If it is clockwise, then theta is negative. So there are rotation based on clockwise or anti-clockwise. There are rotation based on clockwise, anti-clockwise. We have to remember theta. Now I have to generate the rotation along rotation about a point origin. Explain the matrix for rotation about origin. Explain the matrix for rotation about origin. Let us consider the diagram. This is the xy plane, x and y plane. This is coordinate 0, O, 0, 0. Now the initial point is suppose P, and the coordinate is x, y. So this is x, suppose A, and this is y, and this is the triangle. This is the initial triangle, and this angle is phi. Now this is x and this is y, and the OP is the radius because it moves along the circular path. Now rotate this triangle point along anti-clockwise the angle is theta, and the new point is, this is the new point P dash, that is x dash y dash, and this is B. So this is the diagram for the rotation about origin. This is the origin, rotation about the origin. The point is the origin point. P is the old point, P dash is the new point. P is the old point, P dash is the new point. P dash is the new point. P and R is the radius. Theta is the angle of rotation. Now this is the original diagram. Now consider OAP. Consider OAP. OAP. We have to consider OAP. OP mean OA is X. OA is X. PA is Y. OA is X. PA is Y. And OP is R, the radius. We know cos phi. We know the cos phi. Cos phi mean this is the Bhumi, mean OA, and OP is the Otibhuj. OA by OP. OA is X, OP is R. Remember, X equal to R cos phi. This is the expression number 1. X equal to R cos phi. Similarly, sin phi. Sin phi equal to Lambda by Otibhuj. PA by OP. PA mean that is Y by R. Mean Y equal to R sin phi. This is the two expression. X equal to R cos phi. Y equal to R sin phi. Sin phi equal to Lambda by Otibhuj. Sin phi equal to Lambda by Otibhuj. So these are the two expressions that can be used further. Now triangle. Consider triangle OBP dash. OBP dash. This is the triangle after rotation. নাও থিটা এখানে দেখতে পাচ্ছি, থিটা এখানে অরিজিনালি ফাই ছিল, এখন থিটাটা রোটেট করার পর পুরো টোটাল অ্যাঙ্গেলটা হচ্ছে থিটা প্লাস ফাই। নাও কস থিটা প্লাস ফাই, কস থিটা প্লাস ফাই ইকুয়াল টু কস থিটা প্লাস ফাই ইকুয়াল টু OB divided by OP dash. OB divided by OP dash. Cos theta plus phi equal to OB divided by OP dash. OB mean here we have to find OB. OB actually OB is x dash. This is the new point. This x dash along x axis, and P dash B equal to y dash, and OP dash is equal to R. That's the radius remains same because it moved to the circular path. OB is x dash. The new point, this one is x dash, and this one was y. Total was OA was x, and OB is x dash. So now OB is x dash, mean OB is x dash by R. Now x dash equal to, we can say x dash equal to R cos theta plus phi. X dash equal to R cos theta plus phi. There is a formula for cos A plus B. There is a formula for cos A plus B. X dash equal to, now x dash equal to R cos theta cos phi. There is a formula R cos theta cos phi. There is a minus R sin theta sin phi. This is the mathematical formula. Cos A plus cos B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos theta cos phi minus sin theta sin phi. We know R cos phi. We know that R cos phi equal to x. R cos phi equal to x. We know that R cos phi equal to x. That is R cos phi equal to x. Now x dash equal to R cos phi. We have to put the value of R cos phi, that is x cos theta. X dash equal to minus, and R sin phi. R sin phi equal to y. That is R sin phi equal to y, mean y sin theta. This is the new expression. Suppose this is the expression number 3. Now sin theta plus phi means cos theta plus phi mean ভূমি বাই আমরা অতিভুজ পেয়েছি, এবার লম্ব বাই অতিভুজ মিন sin আমরা যদি ক্যালকুলেট করি sin theta plus phi, sin theta plus phi মিন হচ্ছে sin মিন হচ্ছে লম্ব মিন b dash b dash p dash b p dash b p dash b divided by OP dash. P dash b equal to definitely y dash. OP dash mean হচ্ছে r. Y dash r mean y dash equal to r sin theta plus phi. R sin theta plus phi. This is the formula for R. There is a formula for R sin theta plus phi. We know the R sin theta plus phi equal to, there is a formula, different formula than cos. This is sin theta cos phi, and the plus sign is remain intact, plus, no need to convert is minus, plus r cos theta sin phi, sin A cos B, cos A sin B. Mean we know that r cos phi equal to x, put the value of r cos phi here x, and r sin phi, we know that r sin phi equal to y, I put the value of y, this is x cos sin theta, and there is y cos theta. This is the expression number 4. These are the 3 and 4 are useful for representing the original expression. Again আমি লিখছি আরেকবার এক্সপ্রেশনগুলো যেটা পেলাম আমরা, এক্স ড্যাশ পেলাম এক্স কস থিটা মাইনাস ওয়াই সাইন থিটা, আর আমরা ওয়াই ড্যাশ পেয়েছি, আমরা ওয়াই ড্যাশ পেলাম এক্স সাইন থিটা প্লাস ওয়াই কস থিটা, এই দুটো এক্সপ্রেশন আমরা পেলাম। এই দুটো এক্সপ্রেশনকে আমরা ম্যাট্রিক্স ফর্মেটে সাজাবো। ম্যাট্রিক্স ফর্মেটে যদি সাজাই তাহলে পাবো এক্স ড্যাশ ওয়াই ড্যাশ 1 ইকুয়াল টু এক্সের কোফিশিয়েন্ট কত কস থিটা বসালাম, ওয়াইয়ের কোফিশিয়েন্ট কত আছে মাইনাস সাইন থিটা, এখানে এক্সের কোফিশিয়েন্ট কত আছে সাইন থিটা, ওয়াইয়ের কোফিশিয়েন্ট আছে কস থিটা, অ্যান্ড এটা হোমোজিনিয়াস কোঅর্ডিনেট সিস্টেমে রিপ্রেজেন্ট করবো। হোমোজিনিয়াস কোঅর্ডিনেট সিস্টেম যদি রিপ্রেজেন্ট করি তাহলে এটা 0 0 0 0 1, দিস ইজ দ্য rotation matrix, and the original points was x y 1. So this is the matrix representation for the rotation about origin, rotation about, this is the new point p dash, and this is the rotation matrix r theta, theta is the angle of rotation into p. So this is the formula for rotation along rotation about a point origin, that is p dash equal to r theta into p. R theta mean cos theta minus sin theta 0. This is the cos theta, coefficient of x is cos theta, coefficient of y is minus sin theta, coefficient of x is sin theta, y is cos theta 0 0 1 0 0 1 x y 1. This is the formula for rotation about a point.